Good morning. It's hand facial time, y'all. So I use a lot of isopropyl alcohol at work when I'm doing lash extensions, and so my cuticles get so very dry. So I like to give myself a hand facial. I like to go a little extra, grab some gloves, and we're going to start with that Mary Kay hand softener. I use about a quarter size pile and really focus on working that into the cuticles. I get hangnails and all kinds of stuff in the winter because I'm spraying that alcohol right on those tweezers at work. I grab the gloves because I really like that to sit on the skin for 30 to 45 minutes if I can get away with it. The product's greasy, so the gloves just let me do other things. You can even knit socks with these gloves. There's not much you can't do. Okay, so now it's time. It's been about 30 minutes or so. It's time to do the scrub, the second step, which is one of my favorites. I'm actually using the Harvest Peach Satin Shea Scrub. That's a mouthful. And I prefer to use 2 full pumps. This is like a gritty exfoliant that's meant for the hands. And again, you just thoroughly work that in the cuticles and on the palms where calluses build up and where dead skin might linger. And I just want to say for our water conservationists out there, I know that I shouldn't leave the water in my sink running, but it is frigidly cold here in Tennessee. Kids haven't even been going to school. And so it really does take a long time for the water in my bathroom to warm up just because of where the hot water heater is. See, it's still right there. It's still cold. So I don't do that all the time. Don't judge. And then it just needs a thorough rinse. Get all that product off your hands. Then a little towel dry, and you're ready for the next step. Okay, so I've obviously finished my makeup and gotten all my facial skincare done. So I love to grab the hand cream and give it an extra boost in the winter with that nourishing oil. So about a quarter size, nickel size of hand cream. Then I'm going to take that Mary Kay nourishing oil and just do 3 drops, 4 if you're super dry. And you're just going to work that into the hands like you've done with every other step. Now, the reason why I save this step for after makeup is because I don't want the hand cream to get on my face. And definitely take some time to enjoy the scent. This happens to be pomegranate, and it is just delicious. Our Harvest Peach is also amazing. Just check with your Mary Kay consultant. We have some amazing scents. I do this about once a week in the winter and once a month in the summer.